that way. Okay. Towards the doors, George. There you go. Up. Easy does it, easy does it. Good. Better than Dollywood. You don't have to go that fast. You can feather into it, make it move nice and easy. Hey, what's going on, everybody? Got the old Mongo Man out here in Kenny's garage up on the lift here, getting some work done. It's just about 8:30 here, Wednesday night. Yep, it's Wednesday. We're gonna get this video put together as soon as I'm done and posted, so you guys will have something here for the Wednesday or midweek update. But what we've got here is what you saw there in the beginning. The boys got the center of the roof all done. And the OSB is finished. I'm doing batten boards. It's a thankless job, but it does make it look a lot better and it strengthens everything up. But we're up here next to the ceiling. As you can see, this is, let's see, this is 12 feet? No, here would be 12 feet. This is like 13 and a half off the ground. So it is coming along. Let's take a look here. So looking over there is the north wall. To my left, or your left here, where Aggie is sitting, that is the east wall. Coming around here to the south wall. Don't have much done on the south wall except that single piece. And then this over here is the west wall, of course. As you can see, we have all of the OSB completed. That pile of leftover polysio, I don't know, whatever it is, insulation, is sold, and the guy should be coming to pick it up shortly. And this is probably just going to go right back to the Home Depot where we bought it. So what we got left to do here is finish up the battens on the walls. Once all that is complete, we'll decide if we're going to do any prep work for paint. Of course, we've got to cover the floor and then get the doors masked off. Once that's all done, we will be ready to go. I am going to use an oil-based primer. Zinsers, I believe, sells a pretty nice oil-based primer that I've decided to use. We're thinking it's going to take about 10 gallons of primer, maybe 15, depending on if we go with 2 coats. If we do 2 coats of primer, it likely will only take 1 coat of paint, but that remains to be seen. We are going to spray it with an aero sprayer. You guys will see that hopefully here this weekend once we get to that point. But we're making pretty good headway here. Tonight it was just me. KJ was off. And tomorrow night we'll both get out here again, work these battens, try and get some more of this done, and figure out where we're going to be. I'm going to have to pick up some more because I don't believe I have enough. They're going pretty quick here, especially on them long runs across the roof and the back wall. So yeah, we really do appreciate everybody watching the videos. If you do like this kind of content, make sure you subscribe to the channel, give us a like, and leave a comment if you would. There's plenty of information out there on this channel. I've got over 700 videos of the crazy stuff that Kenny and I get into, and we do try to post bi-weekly. and have been keeping pretty much to that schedule, and then we'll sprinkle a short in here or there every once in a while. So we do appreciate everybody, and we'll see you later. The old Mongo Man is out.